find us again on the All 4 Mississippi Thunder channel. We got another great video coming up for you here at the Rock House Gun and Pawn. So y'all stay tuned. Thank you for tuning back into All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Any previous viewers and subscribers, we surely appreciate y'all. Now, any new viewers or viewers that have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss anything that happens over here on All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Give us a thumbs up because we always appreciate that. Ring that bell for notifications and share this video with your friends, neighbors, and their friends, and whoever you can think to share it with. Today, we've got a great video coming for you from Rock House Gun and Pawn, and that is at 5430 Highway 19 North, Meridian, Mississippi 39307. Phone number is 601-485-5895, and I will put that number in the video several times for you to see that. And they are a fully licensed FFL dealer following all federal, state, and local laws. I'm not selling any firearms in this video, but if you see something that you like, feel free to call the Rock House Gun and Pawn or stop by if you're local. If you call, they'll get you set up to send to your local FFL. But make sure, and also if you anything else you think of that you think they might have that you don't see in the video, go ahead and stop by and give them a call. But tell them that R4 Mississippi Thunder sent you. All right, we got something I'm really excited about getting out there and showing you, but I was just handed this, so I've not had any time to do my research on this. This is going to be a very off-the-cuff video, and I'm going to read a lot of information strictly from the details on the interweb, but I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you. Smith and Wesson, and this is the Equalizer, as you can see right there. It is easy to rack technology. It comes with a 10-round magazine, a 13-round magazine, and a 15-round magazine. So you all have those different capacities of 10+1, 13+1, and 15+1 of 9mm ammunition. It has enhanced grip, crisp trigger, enhanced serrations, and it comes with a Mag-A-Lula speed loader. I mean, this is just ordered in. My buddy here tells me that when they tried to order them, the dealer or the supplier did not even know what he was talking about. And then they called back in 30 minutes and realized what he was saying or what he was asking for because they researched and figured it out. So it's so new. Comes with your gun lock there. Like I said, this is going to be the 15-round magazine. Get this box out there. It has all your paperwork, all your safety stuff there. Tell you how to operate it and all that kind of jazz. Always read all your safety instructions and instruction manuals before operating any firearm. It's in a bag here, padded up. Okay, that's your 10-round magazine. I don't know if I showed you that or not. 10-round witness. In the firearm, they have the 13-round magazine. We have a chamber flag in there showing you that it is unloaded. And we'll lock the slide there. Pull the chamber flag out. Nothing in there. And as you can see, Smith and Wesson Equalizer, chambered in 9mm. Okay, 3 dots, sight. 2 on the front, 2 on the back, 1 in the front. Get that sight picture there. Optics cut, so it's ready for optics. It weighs 22.9 ounces with a length of 6.75, height of 4.5, and a width of 1.04. It is the next generation in easy rack slide. I mean, you can manipulate that slide very easily. It has an internal hammer. It has a safety, ambidextrous safety here. And it also has a backstrap safety there. Like I said, it's single action, internal hammer. Nice texturing on the grip. And the magazine release is ambidextrous. You can swap it out for either side. It has a 3.67 inch barrel. And let's see, you got the loaded chamber indicator when you have the chamber loaded there. Let's check out that fancy trigger they're talking about. Again, we're going to lock it back. Take a look. There's no magazine, nothing in the chamber. You can tell by sticking in that chamber flag. So we're going to test out that trigger here. Let's see what we got. Okay, you got some take up. Oh, I'm sorry. No, we don't have any take up. Let's see. I got to depress that safety on the back. Okay, so you don't have any take up. It's right there. The wall is right there. I mean, that is crisp. Break and reset. Did you hear it? It's a little hard to hear, but you can hear it. All right, let's try that again. Nice trigger pull. There's your reset there. To disassemble it, lock the slide back, flip the takedown lever, unlock the slide, and boom, you've got it off. There's your internals. Okay. Like I said, what did I say? The barrel length is 3.675. So there's that 3.675 barrel. We'll stick it all back together the same way we took it apart. Okay, put it back together. Just reverse operation. Now, I want to show you something though. When you put that guide rod back in there, you can see it's got flat sides back on it, on each side. Can you see that?
I think so.
Let me see. I'm going to take it out and show you here. See how it...
Oh, yeah, now you can see it.
Now it's got flat sides, okay. You want to make sure when you put this back in that you put it in the notch and that the flat sides are flat so that everything can slide past the edge of it there. Just want to make sure you can see that, because when you do that, you lock the slide back, flip the takedown lever, put it back together. It's good to go. Okay, Picatinny rail here on the front. You can mount your flashlight or laser, or heck, they make little bayonets for you if you wanted to. 18-degree grip angle. Like I showed you, disassembles without pulling the trigger. It's got the Armornite durable corrosion resistant finish. And something I saw that Mr. Jerry Michalak really appreciated is that it ships with a Maglula magazine loader. I've never used one of these. I was watching a little video on this, and Jerry Michalak was mentioning that he uses these all the time, and I uses them all the time. And I actually see, I don't even know how to use one of these, but you put your bullet in there and push it down in there, and it makes it easier for you to load. So there's your Maglula loader, your 3 magazines, your firearm, everything comes with it. Deep serrations, front and rear. So if you're ready, you can grab it really easy. And like I said, it's light rack. If you're a press checker, got you some serrations right there to check and see if your rounds are in there, if you prefer. But like I said, it does have the loaded chamber indicator. Well, I believe that we have covered everything that I know about this. The barrel finish is stainless steel with the Armorite, the slide finish stainless steel with the Armorite, polymer frame. Okay, well, that's it. That is the Smith and Wesson Equalizer. And again, there it is on the side, just in case you didn't know. And I think that would look pretty cool if, you know, you took and did a little color infill. I know a lot of people don't like color, and I like color on firearms, but I think that equalizer would look cool with a little color infill on there. Well, there it is. 15 round magazine, 13 round magazine, and the 10. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, 10 is the flush fit. Nothing hanging down. You can get 2 fingers, kind of a half a pinky on there. The 13 round. Put it in the right way. Okay, now I've got what I would say medium-sized hands. You know, you can get all 3 of your fingers on there. Nice grip on there with your pinky. That's a 13 round. 15 round doesn't stick down too far. Sticks down a little bit further below the pinky. Let me show you that. Okay, here's my fingers on here. The 13 round is pretty well what I would call ideal for my hands. You know, but who doesn't like a little, you know, 2 extra capacity? And you don't get that, you know, it's not that much extra. So this is Smith and Wesson's new answer to the concealed carry, micro carry type firearms, but you do have double stack, lots of capacity in 9mm. And you know, like I said, this was an off-the-cuff, reading the specs type video because it was handed to me, just came in, and like I said, I thought it was funny that my buddy was telling me that the what do they call them? Distributor he works with did not even know when he said Smith and Wesson, what? You know, when he was telling him about it. And then the distributor actually had to go do some research and figure it out, and then he was able to get a hold of them for them, and they ordered them yesterday and got them shipped in today. So there you go, one of the first people to handle the Smith and Wesson Equalizer, and I wanted to show it to my audience. Well, thank you for tuning in to All for Mississippi Thunder. We do try to offer the newest stuff out for you if we can find it here, and like I said, we love working with Rock House Gun and Pawn and finding the newer stuff and being able to showcase it to you. Remember, for I have learned to be content in every circumstance comes from Philippians 4:11. Come back to see us in All for Mississippi Thunder. God bless you, and God bless America.